morning. Things have been moving along pretty good in here. The electric is mostly done. I've got almost all the outlets hooked up. Dad came and helped on quite a few of them too. Got the switch in place for the door. That's nice to actually be able to run my door. And I got my plywood sheeting up for this little short south wall and all the way up to the other end there. So that west wall's done all the way to the ceiling. Today I'm going to work on this north wall, get the top of it done. Got to trim out the windows. So you can see here, so I did plywood all the way around inside the windows on the sills. And then I'm going to go around that with a router to flush it up. I did that over here on the door. So it'll be like that. Well, here, these two windows, they've been done already. So comes out pretty good. I'm real happy with how it looks. It is just a shop, don't need to be super awesome or anything. And then yeah, that's it. I'm gonna set up a time lapse so you can see a little bit of wood go up today. That's about it.